Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one now continues as the price just continues to put in these lower lows, and in this situation, a pretty big lower low after what had already been a gap down. So certainly updates need to be done. First update that needs to be done is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 1185-ish mark was an area of support, but with the gap down below there, at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook because right there you can see the price try to make a attempted movement up above that level and couldn't quite do it. So definitely now confirmed as an area of resistance. But in all actuality, yes, 1185 does pertain to the chart. It is relevant, but what's most relevant as in terms of levels of resistance, again, for the same exact reason, is that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, which did a good job of holding that support, but unfortunately the price did fall down below there. So now also this would be considered an area of resistance moving forward, and that is currently valid at, let's just call it right around $11.10. So yes, absolutely 1185 is a level of resistance. My point here is before you put too much focus on 1185, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term, and quote unquote prove itself being defined as getting up above 1110. So keep your eye on those couple areas from the resistance side of things. In terms of levels of support now, where's the next potential area where this thing could find some buyers? And that is down here. Let's see, what is that? $9.90. You can see in the history of the chart here, $9.90 was a very historic area where the price did a good job of supporting the price over several different periods of time. So keep an eye on that if this downwards drift continues. But as right now, kind of in no man's land until the price gets down to that $9.90 mark. But we'll see what happens with it. But as of right now, the bears took another big bite out of it today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.